Welcome to Mixow. In this demo, we'll try to create a game, a very popular game called Mario. We just name it Super Mario. Name, description, and get started. We'll go straight to the editor. As usual, we'll look for a very simple bluish background for Mario. Oh, I think I need to save this stuff first. Yeah, so let's select a rectangle and use this as a background canvas instead of image. Let's keep things simple. The important part of this demo is that we'll make sure that we can create a larger world. So we are setting this world size, which is 1600 pixel, and we'll click add, and you will see the scroll bar, and I can scroll to the right. So we can create a large platform game through Mixow, which is Mario is a classic example of. So we're selecting this rectangle as a blue canvas background. Select a proper blue tinge. Yeah, this looks good. Like console blue screen, and we'll make this canvas place across the entire game world. We'll drag the rectangle and move it across the 1600 pixel world. Now that we have done it, we'll need to create the platform, stony platform on which Mario walks. So let's select the image, which is stone walls, stone tiles. We'll select it. It's an image. We're using file picker IO. So here we go. We added a texture. This image can be done through also selecting rectangle and adding a texture, but I found this is easier. So we try to place sort of a level designer way. We'll try to place these bricks in different parts of the world. We'll create three segments in the platform with two holes through cracks or holes, so through which Mario can fall down. And this guy needs some positioning. Yes. So yes. So once we are happy, we can start creating copy pasting these breaks which is a bit more faster. And yes, so we're copying the entire break. Oh, the background has moved a bit. We'll lock the background images in the final version. Right now it's not locked, so that's why it's getting moved. So let's place the bricks in the proper position. The bricks also has a black border. Let's make the opacity, stroke opacity 10% so that it vanishes. Same thing with the other brick. Yes, the left one as well. Selecting stroke opacity 10%. Make the stroke color vanishes. Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Yes. So let's create to have two cracks in the platform. Let's save it. So let's bring in Mario, our hero, into the game. We'll select a existing PNG for Mario. This is a simple PNG image. Will act as our hero. Here we go. We'll resize the image a bit. We're not using sprites. Mixow has a sprite animation capabilities, but we're not using it. So we'll mark this as a static for the timing. All the bricks, so that they naturally act as a platform to walk upon, and we'll make Mario as dynamic. We'll save the game, and we'll also add a platform behavior keyboard behavior so that it responds to the up, down, and jump stuff, standard platform. Those things are prepackaged nicely under platform behavior. So you also create a simple sun at the background to show the parallel scrolling or the background scrolling, side scrolling thing in perspective. Create a yellowish yellow sun. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah, cool. Let's save it and let's preview it. Okay, so Mario can jump. Uh, Mario can jump. Uh, yeah, scrolling started. So we are going to the other parts of the world in a larger. We're navigating to a larger world. But oh, Mario cannot fall through the cracks. It seems the cracks are too small. Some looks a bit bad to the gameplay. So we'll go ahead and quickly edit that. We'll extend the. We'll make the crack bit wider so that Mario can fall through. Yeah, looks good. We'll save it and just preview that. Mario can fill down nicely. Cool. Now we'll create more bricks. We'll copy paste and create more bricks and position to make the level designing interesting. So this is an also example of how quickly you can make level, how quickly you can design levels using Mixow. Uh, we'll place the same tile assets. Although in the original game there used to be different brick tiles in these places, but we will, for simplicity, will retain the stony tiles. We'll create some random level design for the demo. We're marking all this thing as static, rightfully so, because they need to stay there. And we're copy pasting again, and we'll create another one just over the second crack, a second hole into the platform. We'll mark them as static, save, and preview. So Mario now has a good world to explore. Bumpy, uh, side scrolling in effect. See the sun at the nicely at the background, showcasing the side scrolling through Mixow. Of course, the Mario doesn't have a nice sprite to show the back movement, but Mixow has a sprite handling capacity. It is just not shown in the demo. Jump. Let's go to the top. Nice. Oops. Yes. Thanks for watching the demo.